What is going on, royal babies? I don't know if you guys realized what I just did there, but you know, I'm trying to give you guys a little hashtag name. I just want to call you guys something instead of saying royalty family, you feel me? So I just want to say royal babies. How do you guys feel about that? So I'm talking a lot. As you guys can see, I'm a little happy today. I also don't feel good, which I'm trying to like fight through it right now because I currently am fighting with Mother Nature right now. So she's like busting my butt right now. So we're just gonna relax today. We're not gonna do nothing extra. Today I actually have a package, you guys. Okay, so I ordered a custom sweater. Before you get into this video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, and hit that notification bell if you guys want to be a part of the notification squad. The notification squad, all you guys got to do is just hit that notification bell, comment down below, hashtag post notification gang, and then just, you know, comment whatever you like, okay? So this right here, I have been so excited about this because I have been waiting. Well, I ordered it about like maybe like a week ago, I believe, and she already finished it right now. So I don't want to say her name wrong, so I'm gonna like put it right here on the screen so you guys can like see who I'm talking about. I'm also gonna link her Instagram down below so you guys can follow her. She also has a YouTube page, so I will also put that down below, you guys, okay? So from what I know her as is as Arena, or aka Serena, okay girl? I'm so happy that I ordered this from you. I can't wait to open it. I can't wait to try it on, and I'm definitely gonna put everybody on for you, girl, okay? All right, so this is the package. Thank God it came nice and safe, you guys. So we're just gonna get right into it. So I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, you ready? All right, so she gave me her business card. It has like, you know, like a little writing on the bottom. It says be bold, be different, and then it has like all her information in the back. So I will leave this down below if you guys do want to order a custom sweater for her, okay? I got the Heartless sweater, which I'm gonna put like a little picture right here for you guys so you guys can see. Sweater, you guys. Look it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah! Okay, and then my favorite thing right here, she put a heart, a broken heart on the bottom. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm about to take this off and I'm about to put this one on. So I will leave her stuff down below, okay? Oof. First of all, I love freaking yellow. That's one. Yo. Ah! Okay, I'm just gonna move this back so you guys can see properly. Okay. We're gonna do a little model walk. Ooh. Hey. Okay guys, so this is the sweater. It is nice and yellow. I asked for a yellow edition, and right here, as you guys can see, it's a broken heart, and then it says Heartless. So if you guys do want to order your own custom like made sweaters, I will leave her Instagram down below if you guys do want to copy yourself some prestige custom. Oh, you guys. I'm so happy with my sweater. I'm gonna definitely be wearing it. I'm definitely gonna be posting pictures for you guys, so stay tuned for that, okay? So it's a really short video. I really just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys because I was really excited and I felt like I had the right to share this great ass experience with you guys. Cause yo, you have no idea, I really am feeling this sweater, y'all. Like, shit, I might be a little heartless. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching this quick little video. I just felt like I deserved to share this with you guys because I'm really in love with this sweater, y'all. Like, I'm about to go send her a picture. She about to be so happy. Yo, not as happy as I am, but Y'all, if y'all want to cop y'all heartless sweaters, you know, her Instagram will be down below. Just message her. She will gladly tell you all the information that you guys need to know, and she will definitely send you all kinds of information and keep you updated on your stuff. And yeah, you guys, please go support Serena, because she is such an amazing person, and she's a very talented girl, you guys. Like, I don't know what to tell y'all. Who could make this sweater? Like, nobody can freaking do this. Like, look how nice and detailed that is. Like, look at that. It's freaking fire. Like, the drips. Yo, where are you gonna find a sweater like this, y'all? Like, nowhere. So, like I said, go and freaking message Serena. Go get your sweaters, you guys. Like, this is how I'm trying to, like, explain to y'all, but I'm also excited at the same time because I got my sweater. And, like, the craziest thing is, like, so you messaged me like 3 days ago with my tracking number, yo, and it came so fast. Like, I was updated with all my things, which I'm really happy about, because usually when I order stuff and I never get a tracking number, which is crazy. So I was really happy that she literally let me know when she was gonna drop it off, and she gave me my tracking number. She, like, sent a physical, like, picture of my tracking number, which is great, which I love. Her service is amazing. Like, I love you guys. I have no complaints. Like, I'm really happy. Thank you for watching this short little video. I hope I, you know, gave you guys something to order, or like custom, or you guys were actually looking for somebody to customize a sweater for you. Well, boom, there you go, baby. So again, I'm gonna leave her name right here for you guys, and I'm also gonna leave her Instagram down below if you guys want to copy yourself a heartless sweater. She also have different ones too, so go check out her Instagram, you guys. Okay, so thank you, royal babies, for coming to my channel. I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned because I got more videos for you guys. Okay, so thank you again, and I love you guys.